Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Oscar from Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 1. Let's have a go with this one. So let's get in there, draw his head. So I'm just going to do like a little curve at the top of the paper in the middle. So just draw a little curve out like that, okay? We're going to do 2 tiger ears. So probably going to just do a triangle. So just going to go diagonal sort of triangle, one there, and then one kind of there. Okay, then I'm going to do just the side of his head, so probably going to come down to maybe about there. So we'll just do a little curve, join that up like that. Let's just do the brow of his head this side, so this goes to his eyebrow, so just a little line out there, bring that back in like that. Then we're going to do like his cheek down to kind of like his jaw, so I'm just going to come out again and down like that. All right. Couple of little bits of fur like that. I'll pop his jaw in, so he's got quite a strong jaw, so do a little sort of off line there, just join that up, well, do a diagonal line up there, and then what we can do is we'll just draw a line up there, and then we can do some more sort of zigzag fur here. Okay, that's cool. Got quite a thick neck, so I'm just going to come out where I've drawn that line there, just come out a little bit like so. All right, next I'm going to do is big old shoulders, so they kind of come round. I guess there's a bit of shirt there, so I'm just going to put a little curve there, but I'm going to do quite a big like arc like that. Same on this side. I'm going to come out from about the lower part of his jaw like there, just going to come out pretty far, quite wide shoulder there, okay? Right, next up, let's do the rest of his arms. So I think, so it comes down to about here, he's got his arms folded, so I'm gonna do it to about, say there, and I'm gonna just work down where his elbow would be, so just down like that, and around, and then join that up there. Then this side, kind of going to come down to, I guess, about here, fairly straight. So pop a little line in there, join it up there, then come around a little bit here, and we're just going to go up to about, say, there. I'm going to do the under part of his other arm there, so I'm just going to do a line down like that, join that there. This is his bicep here, so I'm just going to do a big bulging bicep like that, and then this arm, going to come out from about here. I'm probably going to end up about, say, there. I'm just going to bring that arm like that. His fingers or his claws are here, so I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3 little prongs there. Okay, that's cool. Then what we'll do, he's got a waistcoat on, so I'm just going to do a line up here where his waistcoat would go where the shoulder is, one there. And then here, I'm just going to do another kind of curve like that. Okay, let's just pop his collar in. So I'm going to put a line just under here, sort of under his chin like that. And we'll just join that up there, join that up there, do another line underneath it, another line there, and then just join those 2 areas up like that. Okay. Next, he's got a tie on, so I'm just going to do diagonal, diagonal, and then a straight line just for his tie. Then he has a little sort of piece underneath it, so I'm just going to do a little rectangle under that. And then what we can do is just continue where his tie would go, like so. All right. Just going to do like the inner part of his waistcoat jacket, so I'm just going to work up to there where the collar is. Same here, just work up like that. Okay. Let's do his torso. Now he's got kind of knives on his belt here, so I'm just going to do line down like that, up. There we go. And the same on this side really. Just going to do a line there, down, up, and just join up that area there. Okay. His belt is kind of here, so I'm just going to do like a diamond shape in the center there for his belt, like that. And then he's got 2 little sort of claw bits here, so I'm just going to do curve either side, like a semi-curve, And then we'll just move that up like a crescent, I suppose, like that. And then just a round part on the top, round part on the top. 2 dots in the middle, and then 2 lines underneath like that. These knives also, just put 2 lines either side like that. Okay. The middle here, I'm just going to join up where his waistcoat is, straight up like that. Let's just do the rest of his belt. So I'll put a line in here, and here. So it's got a big chunky belt on. And there, just join up those gaps like that. All right, cool. Trousers, okay, just put a line in like that. And then we'll do his legs coming down. 1 diagonal there. Just do another here, and then we'll just taper out where his trousers are there, like that. Okay. 2 little curves where his trousers are. Then we can pop his shoes in. So not quite straight shoes. Just draw them in like that, one like that, and then do the same thing on the other side, like that. It's got a line in there, little dot, and sort of curvy line there, little dot. All right. It's got a tail as well, so I'm just going to go about here, sort of make 2 little dots, and just do a wiggly line up like that. Same one again, wiggly line up like so, and we'll just draw around like that. Do some like zigzags in there, and then just fill in the end of his tail black, and then do the same thing here, sort of zigzaggy cross, just to show the markings of him there. All right, cool. So next up, let's just pop his sleeves in. So he's kind of got sleeves rolled up, so just put 2 lines there. Where his bicep is here, 1, 2, like that. Okay, cool. It's got his markings as well. So I'm going to do triangle there, and then let's pop a couple in just either side of that. This side he's got a bit of a glove on here, so I'm just going to do a curve that up, and then it's like a yellow communicator device maybe there. Just pop that up there. Then we can do another little triangle area there, and then we can do a couple more here as well, where his elbow is. Let's colour these ones in black. Okay, cool. All right. Then just going to put a couple of lines in here. So where kind of his bicep is to the collar, just going to do a curved line. Same here, sort of just move up like that. It's got a bit of a triangular button there as well. Maybe just a couple of little lines there. Now let's get onto his face. So let's pop his nose in. So I'm just going to do like a V here, like that. So that just shows his nose. Let's pop another one underneath, just like that. And then we're going to go put a dot about there. Just do a diagonal line down, bring it up. Same on the other side. Just diagonal line down, bring it up, join them up. 2 little teeth, so little triangles there. 1, 2. This nose goes up to about here, so just going to do diagonal line there, and then we can bring sort of like the brow up like that. Same on this side, we can just pop a brow up like so. Pop a little eye in, so 2 little curves. Same here, 2 little curves, and then we'll just put a dot in the middle there. Just add a bit of detail, so just put another line there. Just fill in this ear, it makes it a little bit more 3D. Then we'll put some more shading in, so kind of got a diagonal line there that goes up to his head, and then 1 sort of curve, 2, 3, and then just draw a line up. And then just where his eye is there, just going to do a diagonal line down, bring it up like this and up. Same thing here, there's kind of like a diagonal line down and up, just to show that. And he's also got kind of like just like this diagonal here, pop that up there. Maybe just make that brow just a little bit more stronger, sort of a little bit more furious looking. Just bring these out, just keep looking at them, seeing if I'm happy with them. All right, and then maybe there's just a little bit more here as well. Nice, okay. So next up, what I'm gonna do is just get the finer pen, and we're just gonna put some whiskers in there, and whiskers in like that, okay? And this little belt area, kind of like, just sort of follow the lines to just make them smaller and smaller, and it's just because there's a little bit of detail there, all right? Let's just get the black pen one more time, and we'll just pop in ground behind him. Cool, okay. So next up, colors. Let's get the orange. Let's do his tiger colors here. So really, I think he's got a lot on his nose area. Just bring that around here. A little bit of white on this side, so I'm just gonna kind of just do that up to maybe about here. Color that in, like so. Maybe just a bit down here, and then just a tad like on the back here. That's cool. There. So just come out the lines a little bit. Pop in a little bit of the darker area there, or orange there, and just leave a little bit of that area there white. With the arms, it's got white just underneath, so what I'll do is just fill in those areas. So come along there like that, and then just down here like that. Cool, okay. Next up, just gonna get the yellow, and just gonna put some of that yellow lines in here that he's got, sort of detail on his waistcoat. So it's like 3 lines and then a bit of like a crisscross. So just put some diagonal lines in, and then mark them up like that. There we go. Belt buckle as well, and a little edging detail on here, just on there as well, and then little dots there are yellow too. All right, let's get a lighter blue first of all, and we'll just pop in some shirt colors. We'll just leave a little bit of light on the edge there. Shirts, blue as well. And then just pop this colour in here too. Nice blue colour. That side too. And then I'm just going to get a bit of a darker blue. I'm just going to fill in where that waistcoat is, where we've left the white areas. So just go around here. These little areas as well. Colour in there. Just shows the detail on his jacket as we work in there. Cool. And then let's pop his trousers in. So just do the colour for that, and that nice darker blue again. Just fill all that in. Okay, next up, let's get a brown colour, and what we can do is just pop the brown in for that belt, like that. Then these areas here can be brown as well. Okay, that's cool. Just gonna maybe just switch back to the yellow because he's got this communicator sort of device here. So what I might do is just make that all kind of yellow down there on this tie piece as well. Also just by his claws there, and then maybe just the top of these areas too. Just pop in a little bit of yellow there. Cool. Okay. Next up, let's get a lighter grey. And what we can do, just work into these here, and then also I think just a little bit sort of where his fur is, just on the edge, in the shaded areas. Give it all a little bit of texture, maybe just around there on the tail, maybe just underneath the arm as well. Just adds a little bit more to it. And then maybe just under the chin, then just a bit here as well. Just a few little bits there, and then maybe just under the eyebrow. That's cool. Just where the eyes are as well. I think he's got quite yellowy eyes, so I'm just gonna pop in a bit of yellow there. Okay. Just a little bit of pink for the nose, so just a little touch there. Okay. Oh yeah, where his glove is on his hands. Let's colour that dark blue. Nice. This side here. Okay, that's good. And then he does have a red tie on, so let's pop a bit of red on. There you go. Just makes that pop just there. Well, that's cool. Where the feet are, let's just pop that grey in as well, actually. Just go over that a couple of times. They're fairly dark. Just build on that, so it's got a bit of a darker grey. Keep working that in. Cool, okay. Right, then just going to use that red again, just as a bit of a floor for him. We haven't used a lot of red in the pick, and it pops quite nicely. Works with the blue of his trousers as well. Let's pop a bit on there. All right. Okay, let's go back to the black pen and pop his name in. Okay, so this is Oscar from Fortnite. Thanks for watching Art Draw. Please remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon. Bye.